Every successful day trade starts with one thing: structure. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use change of character, break of structure, fair value gaps, and order blocks to find precise entries and manage risk like a professional trader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a high probability day trading setup using Fibonacci Confluence. If you're serious about trading, make sure to hit like and subscribe button to support us. Now let's get started. A change of character, or CHOCH, is the earliest signal that the market may be shifting direction. Imagine the market is in a clear uptrend, consistently making higher highs and higher lows. The moment a previous higher low gets broken, that's a CHOCH to the downside. It tells us the bullish structure is weakening. In a downtrend, it's the opposite. When a lower high is broken to the upside, the bearish momentum may be ending. CHOCH is the first clue of a possible reversal. Next is the break of structure, or BOS. This is what confirms continuation. In an uptrend, when price pushes and breaks above the most recent high, that's a BOS confirming bullish strength. In a downtrend, when price breaks below the most recent low, that's a BOS confirming bearish continuation. The difference is simple. CHOCH hints at a reversal. BOS confirms trend continuation. Now, fair value gaps, or FVGs, are imbalances in price. When the market moves impulsively, it often leaves a gap between the wicks of candles where trading wasn't efficient. Price tends to return to these areas to rebalance before resuming in the trend direction. That's why FVGs are great entry zones. Finally, the order block, or OB, is the last opposite candle before a strong move that breaks structure. For example, in a bearish move, it's the last bullish candle before the drop that breaks a previous low. In a bullish move, it's the last bearish candle before the rally that breaks a prior high. Order blocks are considered footprints of institutional orders, and they often act as supply and demand zones when price revisits them. Example 1. CHOCH plus BOS with FVG only. Let's walk through this in a downtrend. Price has been moving higher, forming a series of higher highs and higher lows. At some point, the most recent higher low gets broken to the downside. That is the change of character, the very first signal that bullish momentum is weakening. After that, price extends lower and breaks the next significant swing low. That confirms a BOS, and now the market is establishing a bearish direction. During this impulsive move downward, an imbalance forms between candles. This is the fair value gap. The strategy here is simple. Instead of chasing the move, we wait for price to retrace back into the FVG. That's the zone where liquidity will often be rebalanced before the market continues its drop. Entry is taken when price taps the gap, the stop loss is placed just above the gap, and the target is set at the next low. This is a clean downtrend continuation setup using nothing but CHOCH, BOS, and FVG. Let's begin with a 5-minute chart on EURUSD. The market starts in a bullish structure with higher highs and higher lows. Suddenly, one of the higher lows gets broken. That's our change of character. Price then pushes further down and breaks the most recent swing low. That gives us a BOS to the downside, confirming bearish direction. Now, instead of looking for order blocks, we focus only on the fair value gap. On the impulsive bearish move, a clean FVG forms. Price retraces into this imbalance zone, tags the gap, and rejects strongly. That gives us our trade. The short entry is taken at the gap, stop loss above the imbalance, and target placed at the previous low or the next liquidity pool. This example shows how FVGs alone can provide high probability setups when paired with CHO, CH, and BOS. Example 2, CHOCH plus BOS with OB only. Now let's take the same structure, but this time apply order blocks. Again, price is trending upward with higher highs and higher lows. A higher low gets broken to the downside, that's the CHOCH. The market pushes further, takes out a new swing low, and gives us the BOS. With the bearish direction confirmed, we now focus on the order block. The last bullish candle before the strong bearish move that caused the BOS becomes our key zone. This is the bearish order block. Price will often retrace into that candle before continuing the downtrend. Entry is taken from the OB, stop loss is placed just above it, and take profit is targeted at the next liquidity pool, which is the prior low. This setup relies purely on OBS, showing how institutional footprints alone can guide precise entries in a bearish continuation. Now let's take another scenario, this time on GBPUSD 15-minute chart. Price has been trending lower, but eventually breaks a prior lower high. That's our CHOCH to the upside. Soon after, it pushes and breaks another high, confirming a BOS and establishing bullish intent. Here, instead of FVGs, we look for the order block. The last bearish candle before the bullish impulse that caused the BOS is marked as the bullish OB. When price retraces back into this exact candle zone, we prepare for entry. The trade is taken at the OB, the stop loss placed below it, and the target set at the next liquidity pool, usually the prior high. This setup shows how an order block, when combined with CH, OCH, and BOS, can act as a precise entry area on its own. Example 3, CHOCH plus BOS with OB plus Fibonacci. Confluence price is moving upward, forming higher highs and higher lows. At some point, a higher low is broken to the downside. This is the change of character. The market then pushes further and breaks the next swing low, giving us a break of structure. With bearish direction confirmed, we now focus on the order block. The last bullish candle before the strong bearish move that caused the BOS becomes our point of interest. This is the bearish order block. Price will often retrace back into that candle before continuing downward. To refine precision, we bring in Fibonacci. By measuring from the swing high down to the swing low of the impulsive bearish leg, we get our retracement levels. If the order block aligns with the 61.8% to 71% retracement zone, that creates a high probability confluence. The short entry is taken inside the order block, stop loss is placed just above it, and the target is set at the next liquidity pool, typically the previous low. This setup shows how combining CHOCH, BOS, order blocks, and Fibonacci levels gives a precise and systematic entry in a downtrend. Finally, let's look at an advanced setup where everything aligns together with Fibonacci Confluence. On the EUR/JPY 15-minute chart, the market breaks a previous lower high, giving us a CHOCH. Soon after, it creates and breaks a higher high, giving us a BOS to the upside. During this bullish move, both a fair value gap form. We then apply Fibonacci from the swing low to swing high, and the 62 to 71% retracement lines up perfectly with the FVG. This double confluence gives us a high probability entry. When price retraces into that zone, we enter long stop loss above the FVG and target at least 2-to-1 reward or the next liquidity pool. This example shows how combining these tools with Fibonacci makes the setup even stronger. Trading process and risk management. The strategy always follows the same process. Spot the CHOCH, wait for BOS confirmation, then select either FVGs or OBS for entries, or combine them with Fibonacci when the setup is clear. Entry should be executed only at these zones. Stops should always be placed beyond invalidation, and targets set at logical liquidity levels. Risk management is crucial. Never trade without it. Use the higher time frame like 1 hour or 4 hour to establish bias, then drop down to 5-minute or 15-minute for entries. This way, you're trading in the direction of higher time frame flow while still catching intraday precision. To summarize, CHOCH gives you the first sign of reversal. BOS confirms trend continuation. Fair value gaps and order blocks are separate tools you can use individually to mark precise entry zones, and Fibonacci adds further confluence. By understanding them separately first, you'll be able to use them more effectively together later. This is a clean, systematic strategy that removes guessing and emotion. If you want to grow into a consistent trader, this type of structured approach is exactly what you need. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, share this with other traders, and subscribe to iTraders for more professional day trading content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.